Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to appear offline on Instagram. It should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Instagram app. From here you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you have to click on the three line option at the top right corner. From here you will get the settings option. You have to click on settings. Then if you scroll down, then you will see the privacy option. From here you have to click on activity status. Then you will see this option will come. From here now it is enabled. That means if you on online, everyone will show you are now in online. So if you unenable it, then it appear you as you are in offline now. So if you want to appear offline on Instagram, just unenable it, and if you again want to go to in online, then just enable it. So in this way you can appear offline on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.